Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, issues that hopefully resolve if you're having an issue with a very slow or sluggish MacBook experience. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. First thing I recommend doing would be to select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and then select System Settings. On the left panel, select General, and then on the right side, select Storage. And then scrolling down, you want to wait for the application section to load and then select the little I inside of a circle here. I'd recommend uninstalling applications you no longer need and then select the delete option. Select done once you're done removing as many as you want. And then I would select the general button on the left panel once again, and then scrolling down on the right this time to login items and extensions. And if there's apps that are set to open automatically at login, I'd recommend turning off most of them if they're not really necessary. You're not uninstalling the program, you're just preventing it from starting up every time your computer turns on. And you can still manually launch the stuff. And you can also turn off apps that are running in the background. Please note that a lot of these are usually updaters, so you may have to just manually go ahead and check for updates every once in a while, but you don't always need a lot of these apps running in the background. And then scrolling down even further, you can go underneath extensions here and then disable extensions you no longer need, just toggling them to the left. Basically, everything you can turn off is going to free up system resources. So just kind of keep that in mind. That's a matter of perspective that I would be looking at an issue with this with. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.